Hey, good morning from beautiful Froid, Montana. I want to do a quick video walkthrough of the house. Right here, beautiful morning, crispy. Frost on the ground this morning. We're just getting ready to leave to head back home. The address here in Froid is 300 South 3rd Avenue. We recently purchased this structure for a bird hunting camp. We've had a great week here this week. We're just getting ready to come home. Here's our view off the front porch. Turning here. Here's the front of the house. We're gonna walk right in the front door, up the steps here. It was an old church, obviously, built in what we believe is around 1920, recently renovated. This is just the front foyer area. Coming into the front door and hallway. Here comes a couple of the monsters. This is Millie. This is Mac. This is my dad here. 6 bedrooms upstairs. Two twin beds in most of the rooms. 2 of the rooms do have a single queen bed. Individual air conditioners and heaters in each room. Coming down here, little sitting common area here. We have 2 bathrooms upstairs, toilets, sinks, showers. There's a little loft upstairs here. We're mostly using that for just some storage right now. We got Buster, the bird mount. A couple of our nice prints we had a few guests bring to us this week. And we're now at the east side of the building. We're now heading south down a double set of steps to the basement. Downstairs here into the kitchen area. A little grill, a little commercial hood here, a new oven, stovetop. Turning around here, 2 new refrigerators. These are the steps leading back up to the outside. Recently redid tongue and groove, knotty pine, can lights in the kitchen and dining room area. This is a dining room. We did a knockdown here. We knocked that wall out and put a big see-through there. Dining room table. Little breakfast bar here. Dino packing up. Little dartboard there. Fully functioning washer and dryer. Into 2 bathrooms downstairs here, and again, sinks, shower units, toilets. So the house has a total of 4 bathrooms, 8 bedrooms. Walking this way, we're working on replacing the ceiling here. And we'll turn, and we have 2 bedrooms in the basement here as well with single beds. Turn and head back out this way through the dining area into the kitchen. We're gonna head up these stairs. Heading out to the south side of the house now. Packing up, getting ready to go. Just give you a view over here. Very spacious, very roomy. We had up to 11 guys and 8 dogs in camp this week. We were all very comfortable. Had a great week. And there you have it, 300 South 3rd Avenue, Froid, Montana.